Here we have been solving problems on Fisher's ideal index method, but now in addition to calculation of index numbers, we have to develop and satisfy two types of tests to check the consistency of index numbers. They are TRT and FRT, time reversal test and factor reversal test. So several formulae have been studied for the construction of index numbers. So the question arises as to which formula is appropriate to a given problem. A number of tests have been developed, and the important among them are time reversal test and factor reversal test. So time reversal test, this is the one type of test which is to be applied in calculation of for calculating index numbers. So reversibility is an important the property that an index number should possess. A good index number should satisfy time reversal the test, and the formula or an equation which is applied to test to check the consistency and as well as the accuracy of the index numbers is the time reversal test. Time reversal test, TRT is equal to P01 into P10. So this is an equation or formula which is used to check the accuracy or the consistency of index numbers. So time reversal test, so therefore TRT is equal to time reversal test is equal to P01 into P10 is equal to 1. So therefore TRT is satisfied when P01 into P10 is equal to 1. So here time base year is converted into the current year, as well as current year is converted into the base year. And when the multiplication or the product of P01 into P10 is equal to 1, then it satisfies. So in addition to that TRT, the FRT is to be checked and used in calculating indices or index numbers according to Fisher's ideal index method. So another basic test is that the formula for index number ought to permit interchanging prices and quantities without giving inconsistent results. That is, the two results multiplied together should give the true value ratio. So therefore a good index number should satisfy not only the time reversal test but also the factor reversal test. And a good index number should allow time reversibility, interchanging of the base year and the current year without giving inconsistent results. So therefore F40, this is another test which is required to check the consistency of index numbers. And the formula to calculate F40 is that factor reversal test is equal to P01 into P01 into Q01, P01 into Q01. So when price is converted into the quantity, or quantity is to be converted into the price. So therefore P01 into Q01, not P adu, Q, it should be Q, P01 into Q01, P01 into Q01 is equal to sigma P1 Q0, sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0. So sigma P1 Q1, So the current year of price and quantity divided by the sum of the base year price and the quantity, sigma p1 q1 divided by sigma p0 q0. So f40 is satisfied when p01 into q01 is equal to sigma p1 q1 divided by sigma p0 q0. So therefore these are the two tests which are to be used and tested or applied in addition to the finding, in addition to the calculation of the indices or index numbers according to Fisher's ideal index method. And these are the important properties which are to be used. Now the first problem: calculate index number for the year 2017 by taking 2015 as base and prove that it satisfies TRT. So here the current year is 2017 and base year 2015. So ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, that is to be taken as the current year, and the previous or the base year is 2015, which one is less year than that another year. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2015 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, that's why it is recorded as the base year ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. 2017 ದಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ 2015, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ 2017, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ P0 Q0 and current year 2017 price and quantity are given. So therefore P1 Q1. Now let us prepare a table showing P1 Q0, P0 Q0, P1 Q1 divided by and P0 Q1. So having the first four columns and the given data, we can able to construct another four the columns which enable enable to calculate the index numbers by applying a formula, Fisher's ideal index method, and satisfying two tests. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ one test ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ TRT. We have to prove that TRT. So therefore base year 2015, so base year ಅಲ್ಲಿ price quantity. So therefore base year P0 price, quantity Q0. So current year price, quantity, current year price P1, and current year quantity Q1. So therefore P0 15, 8, 12, 20, 30, and current year quantity Q0 8, 10, 5, 6, 8, and then current year price 17, 10, 15, 25, 35, and current year quantity 10, 12, 6, 8, and 10 are given. So therefore having such the given data, we have to construct another for the data, and another four columns showing as P1 Q0, P0 Q0, P1 Q1, and P0 Q1. Now P1 Q0 current year price multiplied with Q0. So 17 in P1 Q0, P1 Q0, 17 into 8 136, 10 into 10 100, 15 into 5 75, 25 into 6 150, 35 into 8 280, and then P0 Q0, 15 into 8 120, 8 into 10 80, 12 into 5 60, 20 into 6 120, 30 into 8 240, and then P1 Q1, 17 into 10 170, 10 into 12 120, 15 into 6 90, 25 into 8 200, 35 into 10 350, and finally P0 Q1. So this is the last column in which we have to calculate P0 Q1. So that can be P0 15 into Q1 10 150, 8 into 12 96, 12 into 6 72, 20 into 8 160, 30 into 10 300. So therefore uh, now now take the sum of sigma P0 Q1 778, sigma P1 Q1 930, sigma P0 Q0 620, and then sigma P1 Q0 741. So uh, substituting these values in the formula, so TRT is equal to time reversal test P01 into P10 is equal to 1. So therefore by applying Fisher's ideal index method formula, we can able to calculate indices or index numbers. So therefore the formula for calculating index numbers according to Fisher's ideal index method is equal to P01 equals root of sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. So this is the formula to calculate Fisher's ideal index method. So therefore by substituting these values in that formula, we can calculate or we can find the indices or index numbers, and we can interpret the result. So here we have calculated only tested TRT time reversal test P01 into P10 is equal to 1. So TRT set is satisfied when P01 into P10 is equal to 1. So here we consider only the time. Base year is converted into current year is converted into base year. So now P01 is equal to root of sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 is equal to root of 741 divided by 620 into 930 by 778, and then P10 0 into 1 and 1 into 0 is equal to root of sigma P0 Q1. 1 is converted into 0 and 0 is converted into 1. Sigma P0 Q0 is equal to sigma P1 Q1 into sigma P0 Q0 divided by sigma P1 uh, Q0. Therefore, root of 778 divided by 930 into 620 by 741. So therefore, P01 into P10 equals root of sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 over sigma P0 Q1 into sigma P1 P0 Q1 divided by sigma P1 Q1 into sigma P0 Q0 by sigma P1 Q1. Now values root of 741 divided by 620 into 930 by 778 into 778 divided by 930 into 620 by 741. So here 741 70 41 get it cancelled, and 930 930 778 778 and 620 and 620 each they are cancelled. Therefore root 1 is equal to 1. So here TRT is satisfied because P01 into P10 is equal to 1. Now take second problem. Calculate Fisher's method index number, and also show that the Fisher's method satisfy both TRT and FOT. So the base year price and quantity, current year price and quantity of the various the items are given here, and here so base year price P0, base year quantity Q0, current year price P1, current year quantity Q1 are given. So in this we have to calculate Fisher's method of index number, and also we have to show Fisher's method satisfying both two types of tests. They are TRT and FOT. Before that we have to prepare a table showing the values for the important the values they are P1 Q0, P0 Q0, P1 Q1 and P0 Q1, and the given data is to be uh, written in the first column. Items ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ P0 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ Q0 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ P1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ Q1. So based on these the given data, we can we can construct another four the columns showing P1 Q0, P1 Q0 15 into 25 375, 18 into 20 360, 20 into 10 200, 30 into 12 360, 45 into 6 270, and then P0 Q0 12 into 25 300, 15 into 20 300, 18 into 10 180, 25 into 12 300, 40 into 6 240, and then P1 Q1 15 into 26 390, 18 into 22 or 396, 10 into 12 240, 10 into 12 means P1 Q1 20 into 12 240, 30 into 15 450, 45 into 7 315, and in the last column P0 Q1, P0 Q1 12 into 26 312, 15 into 22 330, 18 into 12 26 216, 25 into 15 375, 40 into 7 280. Now the sum of sigma sigma means sigma P0 Q1 1513, sigma P1 Q1 1791, sigma P0 Q0 1320, and then sigma P1 Q0 1565. Now substituting these values in the formula, so we get we satisfy time reversal test. TRT is equal to time reversal test P01 into P10 is equal to 1. So TRT is satisfied when P01 into P10 is equal to 1. So P01 is equal to root of sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 equals root of 1565 divided by 1320 into sigma P1 Q1 1791 over sigma P0 Q1 1513. Now take P10 is equal to, so 0 base year current year ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, current year 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, means base year ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore P10 is equal to root of sigma P0 Q1 over sigma P1 Q1 into sigma P0 Q0 divided by sigma P1 Q0 into root of 1513 divided by 1791 into 1320 divided by 1565. Now P01 into P10 equals root of sigma P1 Q0 by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 by sigma P0 Q1 is equal to P1 means P1 Q1 into sigma P0 Q0 divided by sigma P1 Q0. Now root of, so substituting the values means 1565 divided by 1320 into 1791 by 1513 into 1513 over 17991 into 1320 divided by 1565. Now 1320 get it cancelled, and 1513 cancelled. So 1565 1565 as well as 1791 1007, so all are cancelled. So therefore root 1 is equal to 1. So therefore we can say that factor time reversal test TRT is satisfied because P01 into P10 is equal to 1. Now F40 factor reversal test P01 into Q01 is equal to sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0. So here factor reversal test F40 is satisfied when P01 into Q01, so not P10, so it should be Q01, P01 into Q01 is equal to, so the formula sigma P01 into Q01 is equal to root of sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0. Now P01 is equal to root of sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 over sigma P1 means uh, P0 Q1 is equal to root of, so values are written here, and Q01 is equal to Q1 means price is converted into quantity and quantity is converted into the price. P price quantity ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, Q ಇರೋದು P ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So sigma Q1 P0 divided by sigma Q0 P0 into sigma Q1 P1 divided by sigma Q0 P1. So time is same, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಪಿ ಇರೋದು ಕ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯೂ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪಿ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ Q1 P0 ಅಥವಾ P0 Q1 1513 divided by sigma P0 Q0 1320 into P1 Q1 1719 divided by P1 Q0 1565. Now P01 into Q01 is equal to root of sigma P1 Q0 by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into uh, Q1 P0 divided by Q0 P0 into Q1 P1 by Q0 P1. Therefore, so substituting all the values, we get uh, root of 1791 divided by 1320 into 1791 divided by 1320 is equal to root of 1791 whole square divided by 1320 whole square. Therefore 1791 divided by 1320 whole square root of, so then root go square go cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore we get 1791 divided by 1320 is equal to sigma p1 q1 divided by sigma p0 q0. Therefore f40 is satisfied because f40 gets p01 into q01 is equal to sigma, means sigma p1 q1 divided by sigma p0 q0. Now take another the problem. uh, from the following data show that Fisher's index satisfies both TRT and FOT. So here base year price and quantity are given, current year price and quantity are given. So here we have to divide quantity by price, then we get Q0, and current year quantity is to be divided by price, then we get current year quantity. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ base year quantity or value in the, ನಾವು ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂದ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆರ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೈ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ current year quantity. So when the quantity or the value is given, that in base year quantity which includes P0 Q0, and then current year quantity that includes P1 Q1. Now base year price P1 and the quantity or the value is given P0 Q0. Then current year quantity Q1 is given, P1 Q1 the value is taken here, then P1 Q1 divided by Q1. So here dividing P1 Q1 by Q1, then we get P1 current year price. So 525 divided by 15 is equal to 35, 300 by 10 is equal to 30, 240 by 8 is equal to 30, 300 by 10 is equal to 30, 180 by 15 is equal to 12. Then P0 Q0 divided by P0, then we get Q0. So 480 by 40 is equal to 12, 600 by 75 is equal to 8, 540 by 90 is equal to 6, 210 by 30 is equal to 7, 200 by 25 is equal to 8. Then calculate P1 Q0, 35 into 12, 420, 30 into 8, 240, 30 into 6, 180, 30 into 7, 210, 12 into 8, 96. Then P0 Q1, P0 Q1 40 into 35, 600, 75 into 30, 750, 90 into 30, 720, 90 into 6, 720, 30 into 7, P0 into Q1. So P0 into Q1 here 40 into 15, 600, 75 into 10, 750, 90 into 10 720, 30 into 10 300, and then 25 into 15 375, P0 Q1. Then sigma P0 Q1 2745, sigma P1 Q0 1146. Then already given in this problem itself, sigma P1 Q1 1545, sigma P0 Q0 2030. Now TRT, time reversal test, is equal to P01 into P10 equals 1. Then P01 is equal to root of sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 by sigma P0 Q1. Then substituting values in that formula, and P01 is equal to sigma. So converting base year into current year and current year into the base year, sigma P0 Q1 divided by sigma P1 Q1 into sigma P0 Q0 divided by sigma P1 Q0. Now uh, P P01 into P10, P01 into P01 into P10 is equal to root of sigma P1 Q0 by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 by sigma P0 Q1 into sigma P0 uh, Q1 by sigma P1 Q1 into sigma P0 Q0 divided by sigma P1 Q0. So therefore substituting these values in that formula, so root of 1146 divided by 2030 into 1545 divided by 2745 into 2745 divided by 1545 into 2030 divided by 1146. So here entire values are to be cancelled. Then we get root of 1. So root 1 is equal to 1, and it satisfies time reversal test. Now in the same way we have to test factor reversal test, P01 into Q01, not P10. So it should be Q01. So only we changes P into uh, Q, Q into P. P01 into Q01 is equal to, so it satisfies when P01 into Q01 is equal to root of, into is equal to sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0. So P01 is equal to root of sigma P1 Q0 by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1, and then Q01 is equal to a root of sigma P Q1 P0 by sigma Q0 P0 into sigma Q1 P1 divided by sigma Q0 P1. So only we take into account, and only we have to uh, only we have to change P into Q and Q into P, and substituting these values in the formula, P01 into Q01 is equal to root of sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 by sigma P0 Q1 into P ಇರೋದು Q ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, Q ಇರೋದು quantity is to be converted into P, price, sigma Q1 P0 divided by sigma Q0 P0 into sigma Q1 P1 by sigma Q0 P1. Now substituting these values in that an equation or formula, then we get root of 1545 by 2030 into 1545 divided by 2030 is equal to root of 1545 divided by 2030 whole square. Then root and its square is to be cancelled. So root ಮತ್ತೆ square cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then it arrives 1545 divided by 2030 is equal to sigma p1 q1 divided by sigma p0 q0. Then we can say that F40 is satisfied because F40 is equal to sigma P0 F40 is equal to P01 into Q01 is equal to sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0. The this is what the formula in which we have satisfied, therefore F40 is satisfied. So this is the way in which we can go for calculating indices or index numbers and satisfying two types of tests.